In this essential tech tutorial, we are going to learn how to connect a phone to a printer. Whether you have an iPhone or an Android, we will show you how to print from your phone wirelessly using AirPrint or Wi-Fi, and even how to use a USB cable for a direct connection when you don't have internet. You probably have a great photo or an important document on your phone that you need to get onto paper right now. In the past, this meant emailing the file to yourself, logging onto a computer, and printing it from there. It was a slow and annoying process, but today, your smartphone is powerful enough to talk directly to your printer. I'm your host, and in this complete guide, we are going to skip the computer entirely. We will walk through the different methods for both major platforms. For iPhone users, we will look at the seamless AirPrint feature. For Android users, we will explore the built-in default print service and how to use manufacturer plugins. We will also cover what to do if you have an older printer that doesn't support Wi-Fi. By the end of this video, you will be able to turn your digital files into physical copies in seconds, directly from the palm of your hand. Let's start with Method 1, printing from an iPhone or iPad. To get this working, you need two primary things. First, you need your Android smartphone updated to a reasonably recent version of the operating system. Second, you need a wireless-capable printer that is powered on. The most critical requirement is that both your Android phone and your printer must be connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. If your phone is on 5G data or a guest network, it will not be able to see the printer. Let's get these devices connected using the system's built-in tools. You need to open the Settings app on your Android phone. To save time scrolling, tap the search icon or bar at the top of the Settings menu and type the word Printing. You will see an option appear that says Printing or Default Print Service. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to the connection hub. You need to ensure that the default print service is toggled to the on position. Once this is active, your phone will automatically start scanning the Wi-Fi network for compatible devices. After a few moments, you should see your printer's name appear in the list, which means the connection is established. For me, it seems I cannot find the printer with the default Android printer service. If your phone finds the printer when the connection is ready, you need to know how to actually print. Go to the app where your file is located, such as Google Photos for an image or Google Drive for a PDF document. Tap the Share button or the three-dot menu options and look for the Print icon. When you tap it, a preview screen will appear. At the top of this screen, tap the drop-down menu to select the printer you just found in the settings. Finally, tap the Print button, and your document will be sent wirelessly to the printer. While the default service works for most people, major printer brands like HP, Canon, Epson, and Brother often have their own dedicated apps in the Google Play Store, such as the HP Smart App or Canon Print. Installing the specific app for your brand can often give you better results and more features, like the ability to scan documents to your phone or check ink levels. I have an Epson printer, so I will install the app for this specific provider. Tap on Add Service. I will tap on the Epson iPrint app. The developer should be listed as Seiko Epson Corporation. Tap the green Install button to start the download. Once the app is installed, go back to the settings page. You will see the new service you installed. Tap it. The app will now search your local Wi-Fi network for any compatible Epson printers. After a few seconds, your printer's name should appear. Tap on your printer's name. The app will take a moment to connect and check the printer's status. You are now ready to print. Now, let's move to Method 2, printing from an Android phone. To get started, you need two main things. First, you need your iPhone. It doesn't matter if it's an older model or the newest one, as long as it's updated. Second, you need a printer that supports Wi-Fi. The most critical requirement is that both your iPhone and your printer must be connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. If your printer is on home network and your phone is on 5G or guest network, they will not be able to see each other. Let's get printing using the AirPrint method. This is the easiest way because you don't need to download any extra apps or drivers. First, locate the item you want to print. This could be a photo in your Photos app, a PDF in your Files app, or an email in the Mail app. Open the item so it's full screen. Now, look for the Share icon. It looks like a small square with an arrow pointing upwards. Tap on that. This will open the Share Sheet menu. Scroll down through the list of text options until you find Print. Go ahead and tap it. This brings you to the Print options screen. At the top of this screen, you will see a field that says Printer. If it says no printer selected, tap on it. Your iPhone will now scan the Wi-Fi network. After a few seconds, your printer's name should appear in the list. If the printer appears, then tap on your printer to select it. We will just pretend it has appeared. Once your printer is selected, you can choose your options. You can select how many copies you want, whether you want double-sided printing, or even pick a specific range of pages. When you are ready, simply tap the blue print word in the top right corner. Your printer should start whirring almost immediately. Now, what if your printer doesn't show up like me? If you have an older wireless printer that doesn't support AirPrint, you can often still print. You will need to go to the App Store and download the official app for your printer brand. For example, search for HP Smart, Canon Print, or Epson iPrint. I have an Epson printer, so I will try to install Epson iPrint. Tap on the blue App Store icon. In the Search tab at the bottom right, type in Epson iPrint and press Search. You will see a few results, but you want the one simply named Epson iPrint with the blue logo. The developer should be listed as Seiko Epson Corporation. Tap the Get button, or the cloud icon if you've downloaded it before, to start the download. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch it. You will likely see a user agreement screen. You'll need to tap Agree or OK to proceed. Now you are on the main dashboard of the app, but it's not connected yet. Look at the very top of the screen. You should see a blue bar that says Printer is not selected, or tap here to select a printer. Go ahead and tap that blue bar. The app will now search your local Wi-Fi network for any compatible Epson printers. After a few seconds, your printer's name should appear in the Local list. Tap on your printer's name. The app will take a moment to connect and check the printer's status. Once connected, the blue bar at the top will change to show your printer's name and ink levels. You are now ready to print. You can tap Print Photos to choose a picture from your camera roll, or Print Documents to choose a PDF or Word file from your iPhone's files. Now tap on Photos. Find the Epson iPrint app and tap it. Now tap on Print. The printer will print the picture. A great hidden tip in the Print Options screen is the ability to create a PDF. When you are on the Print Preview screen, where you see the little thumbnails of your pages, if you use 2 fingers to zoom in or pinch out on the thumbnail, it will convert that document into a PDF file, which you can then save or share, instead of printing it to paper. If you print photos often, make sure to check your printer's paper tray. AirPrint doesn't always know what size paper is loaded. What if you see the dreaded "No AirPrint printers found" message? First, double-check your Wi-Fi. Is your phone definitely on Wi-Fi and not 5G? Is it the same network name as the printer? If the network is correct, the next step is to restart everything. Turn off your printer and turn it back on. Do the same for your iPhone. This forces both devices to reconnect to the network and announce themselves again, which solves the problem 90% of the time. If it still doesn't work, check if your printer has a firmware update available. You can usually check this on the printer's little screen in the Settings menu. Updating the printer's software can often fix connectivity bugs with Apple devices. So, we have reached the end of our guide. We have learned how to connect an iPhone to a printer using the simple and powerful AirPrint feature. We walked through opening the Share menu, selecting your printer, and sending the job. We also learned that for older printers, manufacturer apps like HP Smart or Canon Print are excellent backups. You now have the power to turn your digital memories and documents into physical copies directly from the palm of your hand. I truly hope this iPhone printing guide was helpful and saved you the trouble of using a computer. If it did, please give this video a like. It's a simple gesture that really helps the channel grow. And if you're interested in more iPhone tips and tricks to make your life easier, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, what do you print the most from your phone? Is it photos, work documents, or perhaps shipping labels? I'm curious to know how you use this feature. Thank you for watching.